Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you're here. A little bit of a vision about what this YouTube channel is going to be about. I recently just signed up to a makeup course and I thought it would be so awesome if I brought you guys along for the journey with me. So everything that I cover in the course, I'm going to talk about with you guys. I'll regularly upload on a Monday or Tuesday. I have always been interested in makeup artistry, so, you know, no time like the present to start it. I don't have any makeup on today, but I do love creating good flawless looks when I am going to special occasions. So I'm really excited to see what this course can do for me and for you. The course is 100% online, which I'm really excited for because obviously having a little one at home, I cannot get out to a course on site. So in the course that I have signed up to, I get a makeup kit. So I'm excited for that to come out. Once it is posted out to me, I will do a little recording of what is included in that box. Yeah, and we can just go through everything that's in there. A little bit about me. I am a mum of 3. I have 3 beautiful children, a boy and 2 girls. This is my youngest daughter here. She was a little surprise baby, but she's a beautiful little surprise. She's currently teething at the moment, so she's a little bit out of sorts, but she's being very well behaved for the video. So next Monday, I will post the first video of what I've learnt in the course. So if you would really like to come along for the journey with me and learn what's in makeup courses and see if it is something that you may be interested in, hit subscribe and we will get started on this.